Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Skill Market YouTube channel. Today I'll discuss about more than 100 short form about all of mobile equipment parts and technology. This video is going to be very important, so don't miss the video and watch till the end. Mobile is short for Modified Operated Byte Integration Limited Energy. Phone is short for Personal Handset over Network Equipment. GSM, Global System for Mobile Communication. GPS is short for Global Positioning System. BTS, Base Transceiver System. GPRS is short for General Packet Radio Service. CDMA is short for Code Division Multiple Access. WCDMA is short for Wideband Code Division Multiple Access. TDMA is short for Time Division Multiple Access, and SDMA is short for Space Division Multiple Access. Wi-Fi is short for Wireless Fidelity. LTE is short for Long-Term Evolution. VoLTE is short for Voice over Long-Term Evolution. HSPA is short for High Speed Package Access. GPIO is short for General Purpose Input Output. OTG is short for On the Go. OTA is short for On the Air. USB is short for Universal Serial Bus. HLR is short for Home Location Register. SoC, System on a Chip. OS, Operating System. AI, Artificial Intelligence. UI, User Interface. HD, High Definition. BT, Bluetooth. I/O, Input Output. IC, Integrated Circuit. RF, Radio Frequency. MC, Message Center. TV, Touch Panel. LED, Light Emitting Diode. LCD, Liquid Crystal Display. OLED, Organic Light Emitting Diode. AMOLED, Active Matrix Organic Light Emitting Diode. SAMOLED, Superactive Matrix Organic Light Emitting Diode. TFT, Thin Film Transistor. IPS, In-Plant Switch. IMEI, International Mobile Equipment Identity. IMSI, International Mobile Subscriber Identity. SMS, Short Message Service. MMS, Multimedia Message Service. VMS, Voice Mail System. PIN, Personal Identification Number. PUC, Personal Unlocking Code. MIN is short for Mobile Identification Number. P sensor is short for Proximity Sensor. G sensor, Gravity Sensor. L sensor, Light Sensor. C sensor is short for Camera Sensor. F sensor is short for Fingerprint Sensor. QC is short for Quality Controller. IQC, Incoming Material Quality Control. IPQC is short for In-Process Quality Control. FQC is short for Final Quality Control. OQC, Outgoing Quality Control. QA is short for Quality Assurance. AQL, Acceptance Quality Limit or Label. FIFO is short for First In, First Out. LIFO, Last In, First Out. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. CPU, Central Processing Unit. GPU, Graphics Processing Unit. RAM, Random Access Memory. ROM is short for Read-Only Memory. EPROM is short for Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. Lithium-ion is short for Li is short for Lithium-ion Battery. Li polymer, Lithium polymer battery. RTC, Real-Time Clock. CCT, Critical Cycle Time. PMU, Power Management Unit. ESD is short for Electrostatic Discharge. SOP is short for Standard Operating Procedure. BPC is short for Battery Pin Connector. MMC is short for Multimedia Card. BOM is short for Bill of Materials. SMT is short for Surface Mount Technology. SMD is short for Surface Mount Device. THT is short for Through Hole Technology. PCB is short for Printed Circuit Board. PCBA is short for Printed Circuit Board Assembly. FPC is short for Flexible Printed Circuit. SKD is short for Semi-Knockdown. CKD is short for Complete Knockdown. LAN is short for Local Area Network. WAN is short for Wide Area Network. MAN is short for Metropolitan Area Network. WLAN is short for Wireless Local Area Network. MSD is short for Moisture Sensitive Device. MSL is short for Moisture Sensitive Label. HIC is short for Humidity Indicator Card. SPP is short for Solder Pressed Printer. SPI is short for Solder Pressed Inspection. PV is short for Pick and Place Machine. AOI is short for Automatic Optical Inspection. BGA is short for Ball Grid Array. QFN is short for Quad Flat No Leak. MMI is short for Man-Machine Interface. ATA is short for Automatic Test Advantage. WWW is short for World Wide Web. 5S is short for Short Set in Order Shrine Standardize Sustain. 5M, Man Machine Method Materials Measurement. Thank you so much for watching this video.